It's time for Kev Quest. So I am past Dairy Queen. Dairy Queen was actually just down that way in Oceanside, and Dairy Queen right here. And I am trying the Reese's Pieces cookie dough.
And it's good.
So you can see just from right here. And the cool thing about it is that the good news, when you ordered the Reese's Pieces cookie dough bliss treat, you will find a delicious dessert and crumble all revealed in Reese's Pieces delicious peanut butter cups, tasted in a chunk of candy straw, plus grab all chocolate chip cookie dough, peanut butter topping that would former DQ soft serve bland to blurred blizzard treat topping. Which actually sounds really good, just showing you guys that direction. So now, here we go. Already dripping. The spoon's actually like really deep in now. Okay. Highly recommend. 10 out of 10. This is really good overall. This is my first Dairy Queen review out there. So, this is actually really good. And try it for yourself. Highly recommend. It's really good overall. And I'm going to take one more bite because this actually is really good. Oop. Luckily I caught that.
Right? I'm in the right spot.
Alright, yeah, exactly.
Yeah. See, he got Dairy Queen, so I went to get one too. No, I was kidding. But it's delicious. Take care, bro.
You too. So yeah, just a fun tip. I actually have, like I said, 10 out of 10. Great overall. And everything is perfect. And love every moment of it. And excellent on their choice. So, hope you guys like this video. Subscribe to my channel. Leave a notification on if I'm posting any videos. Leave the comments down below. And see you guys next time, only on Kev Quest.